how to remove profile picture on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can remove profile picture on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to remove the profile picture on Facebook, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Facebook app here. Once you launch the Facebook app, what you want to do is just tap the three lines option over here, as you can see, and then you could just want to come to your profile page here. Once you come to the profile page here, you can see my profile picture, and what if I want to delete my profile picture. Now if this profile picture is added as a photo that has likes and so on, deleting the profile picture will also remove the likes, so you want to be aware of that. But if this profile picture is locked and only available to you, other people won't be able to notice the difference. Just tap the three dots option here, select the option called delete photo, tap on the delete button, and your profile picture will be successfully removed. Now sometimes if you remove from here, it is also going to get removed from your photo section. So if it's a photo that you added from the past, that is also going to get deleted. Keeping that thing in mind, you just want to select that option and then go ahead and remove them accordingly. This way you can remove your profile picture on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.